Hi everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Amani McGregor and I am with Luxury House Search, and today we have another special guest with us. Her name is Kara Thomas and she is one of the top interior designers in Los Angeles, and she has a clientele that consists of NBA players, people in the entertainment business, and she's been seen on Fad of the Future on HGTV as well as Training Spaces on TLC. So Kara, tell us about yourself.
So, as you know, my name is Kara. I have been an interior designer for the past 5 years, and I serve in the greater Los Angeles area, but I'm also available for travel. And my company is Studio KT.
Okay.
And we're a full-service interior design firm. So we specialize in interiors, home decor, custom furniture, everything you can think of that involves interiors.
That's awesome. And what made you get into interior designing?
So interior design kind of has always been an unknown passion of mine, which I kind of tapped in after I graduated from college at Rutgers. And I was planning on going to law school, but then I really had to sit down and think about what I love to do, and I knew I wanted to do something creative, so that's when I kind of came up with the idea to do interiors, because I was always changing my room, painting the house, always really into these little projects around the house.
Yeah.
So I just kind of realized that that's what I love doing.
What is interior design and why is it important to hire an interior designer?
So the best way I can describe interior design is the way we experience a space. A well-designed space improves the quality of our life. So it affects how we work, how we play, how we heal. And when I say heal, I mean the daily stresses of our life that we carry. I think that it's so important to come home and be able to relax. Your home should be your sanctuary. So with a well-designed space, it just makes you feel good. Whether you work from home or you're coming home from work and you just don't enjoy being there, I would say that's a very good cue for you to kind of pick up the phone or do some research and try to find an interior designer. So another hint that I would say where you need to bring an interior designer is if you have some furniture but you're feeling like it's still not complete, it doesn't give that wow factor. So I'm also available to come in and help you put the finishing touches on your space. So that's art, accessories, and just giving it a little more personality.
What is your favorite part about your job and what are some of the challenges that you face?
So my absolute favorite part about interior design is transforming the space and improving the quality of someone's life. So there's nothing like a before and after photo. I love seeing how my ideas have come to life. Some of the challenges that I face as a designer is just really educating my clients on why things cost as much as they do, or why they should invest in a more custom piece versus buying something that's just in stock and ready to go.
So tell us a little bit about Studio KT and what your company offers.
So Studio KT is a full-service interior design firm, and with that we do small renovations, full renovations, we can do art and accessories, and we can even help with event planning services. And my process is always starting with a phone consultation. That way I can get a little bit of a background on who you are, your project, any deadlines I should be aware of, and most importantly, your budget. And if I feel like we're a good fit, then I'll schedule an in-person meeting at the space so we can do a walkthrough together. And from there, I create a detailed design package for you, which includes space planning, furniture selections, lighting. We'll even get into fabrics, wallpaper, paint, depending on how detailed the project is. So the best place to reach me is my website, which is studiokt.com, and from there you can schedule a phone consultation so we can start a conversation about your project and working with me. And then that's also linked to all of my social media. So Instagram is It's Kara Thomas.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you for being here. What an honor to have you. Again, my name is Amani McGregor. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we will see you in our next video.